This is the beautiful place of Chidiko of Narsingarh Forest Reserve. You can see the very dense forest spread all over. And this is a home for many wild animals like deer, monkey, tiger, etc. So the background you can see the beauty of the nature of Narsingarh Forest Reserve. You can also enjoy the swing surrounded by the lake and the greenery. You can also enjoy the walk along the beautiful Chidiko lake. After walking 100 meters along with the lake side, you can see a waterfall where water is flowing into a tank. A beautiful tank with pure and clean water where many fishes you can see. If you love the fishes, they love you back. If you stand into this water, they will come and kiss your foot. So this feeling will be awesome. God has created such a beautiful wonder surrounding us. This pure water allows us to enter into this, and this is such a pure that even you can wash your face and hands. The transparent water will allow you to see through the beautiful aquatic animals that are dwelling over there, and the fishes, again I told you, will come to you to kiss your leg and to give you the best touch. These beautiful fishes are inviting me to join them. Their invitation could not stop me jumping into the tank. I was thinking and thinking whether to jump or not, but the beauty of the pond attracted me towards its depth. So I planned to jump, and the ice cold water made me to feel ecstatic, and I started swimming with the fish. It was a great experience for me. I loved this place very much. As I love wandering into the forest, I started walking along with his flowing water. It took me into the jungle where it is surrounded by the chirping birds, many trees, cool breeze, and a beautiful scenic view. This is a calm and quiet, peaceful environment where you can spend your weekend with family. So such a beautiful place it is. After spending 3 to 4 hours in the jungles, then we decided to go back from this place. So while going, we have also decided to pick all the visible human waste like polythene bags, plastic bottles and other things. Then we disposed it off in a proper waste bin, for which we got appreciation from the DFO of the Chidiko lake. So with heavy hearted, with all these memories in the heart, we have decided to go back to Bhopal. But this is very difficult time for me to go back, because the time what I spent in this Chidiko lake was awesome and mesmerizing, and it will be always in my heart forever and ever. So this is a beautiful place, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.